What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabsome besties? Today's video takes place in our gamer girl room combined with our advent calendar room. And yes, this is another random doll stuff video. It's the holidays and I kind of need a little chill time. So all December long, you might see quite a few of these videos. I just discovered Mooncat nail polish. Let's try it out for today's video. This is 2 coats. Let's add a top coat. Ooh, pretty. I was cleaning up my studio and I found the Barbie Color Reveal Advent Calendar instructions. And I was wondering if we could use this to make our own mini brands. There is a front and a back. However, it doesn't look like a perfect rectangle. It does look like it's skewed a little, but we're gonna try anyway. Let's cut out the pictures, trace around it on recycled paperboard, cut it out. I cut several and stack and glue them together. Cover it with leftover paper from the instructions. Glue the cutouts onto the front and back to make a miniature Barbie Color Reveal Advent Calendar out of recycled materials. And you can always cover it in clear tape to give it a glossy finish and protect it. Did I just make a box? Yes. Do I complain when I get boxes and mini brands? Yes, I do. Speaking of mini brands, these make great stocking stuffers for the holidays. We just have to make sure it can fit in the stocking. And does it? Yes, it does. Mini Brands Disney Store Edition Series 2 are out now, and they are $8.49 each. I found them at Target, and we do have a full video on just them. But after that last video, I still have a few princesses I'm looking for. Elena of Avalor and Moana. This is Thanos. This is a new one for me, so yay. And the next one we have, ooh, something gold. It's the ultra rare Minnie Mouse picnic basket. Don't worry, y'all, I am on my best behavior today. 2 down, 3 to go. Here we have Disney Toy Box Peter Pan. This is also a new one. So far, no doubles. Yeah. And here we have Star Wars Mandalorian Gauntlets, also new. And our last one for the day is a double Sith Trooper. And we're gonna stop there because I can only keep up this level of positivity with doubles for so long. Some of you wanted to know, how do I store my mini brands? I have mini on display in my miniature Target store, and I keep the others in bead storage containers. This one was from the dollar store or Dollar Tree. I paid $3 for it, and I keep the mini brands that are not in use in here. I do try to separate them or sort them by kind. And I always keep a collector's guide inside so I can keep track of which ones I do and don't have. Barbie Extra Mini Minis can be stocking stuffers. Yeah, I got this one for $6.99 on Amazon. They are about 3.5 inches with articulation at the neck, shoulder, and hip. This one has brown hair with a little bit of purple, brown eyes. It looks like a lavender lip color. We have a pink plastic hat. It is removable. White earrings that are not designed to be removed. Fabric fashion. This is a little alien dress. It does Velcro in the back. There's a little sling bag and pink glitter boots. And there's a little doll stand. We might be able to use them with our dollhouse kits. I think this one is about 1/24 scale. Disney Doorables can fit into a stocking. Originally priced at $4.59 at Target. I kinda love me some Doorables. Ooh, and we have 3 because sometimes you only get 2 and sometimes you get 3, and today we got 3. This is Series 8 and I'm still in search of the turning red figures. That is not a Turning Red figure. It's Mike from Monsters, Inc. Actually, this one looks really cool. Giant eye. And here we have a fairy. I don't have this one. This is my last one. Please be Miriam from Turning Red. It's Candlehead. I mean, yay! I think Disney Doorables movie moments can fit in a stocking. On Amazon, the list price is $10.99, but I got it on sale for $6.99. And does it fit? Yeah, it fits. Movie moments are the Doorables in little scenes from their movies. This is series 1, and we don't know which one we're gonna get. I really want the Little Mermaid or Aladdin. So let's see which one we get. Oh, we can see them right there. And that looks like Peter Pan. There's a backdrop letting you know where the scene is from. The Doorables are individually wrapped. Here's Tinkerbell and Peter Pan. They have little pegs in the back, which I assume are going to help them to stay in the scene. There's a clock tower with clouds. It's finished all the way around, and there's a place to put the Doorables. Oops, there we go. Tink goes over here. Place the backdrop in the back of the platform, add the figures, and then the case. This is adorable, and I love that everything is separate. It's finished all the way around. Fun. At Target, I found the Disney Encanto characters as single characters for $3.99 each. On the back, we can see all of the dolls, and I need that one, and oh, the dad! It fits in the stocking. And now we have Felix in his daily look. And he has a tiny umbrella. If you're looking for more stocking stuffers, I'm sure Rainbow High accessory packs will fit in the stocking, along with Shopkins Real Littles. What about World's Smallest? I think we can get this in there. Yeah, we can! I found this tiny little keychain that looks like a Game Boy on Amazon. And yeah, that's going in there too. The Rainbow High shoes are regularly priced at $9.99. We get a little shoebox and a little bag and some surprise shoes. Let's see, what do we get today? Yay! I have been looking for these. I got some long boots, baby. I'm kind of obsessed with the Rainbow High fabric shoes. I love this. And they fit Monster High G3 Draculaura, who I have dressed with a little Wednesday Addams vibe. For $3.99, here are Shopkins Real Littles. We get 2 Shopkins and 2 mini packs in each box. Today we have Airheads Extremes and Jello. I like using the Real Littles more with my smart dolls rather than my 1/6 scale dolls. And yes, I have the same top for my smart doll and mini Toya from Elite Doll World. From World's Smallest, here is the Barbie fashion case. I bought it on Amazon for $9.95. It includes a tiny little Barbie and a fashion case with a mystery figure inside. If you've been collecting the World's Smallest Barbie dream houses and micro figures and comics, you might end up with a few doubles. The fashion case comes with a visible Malibu Barbie, and our mystery doll is a totally hair Barbie, I think. The case has 6 little compartments for all of our miniature Barbies. They don't take up a lot of space, you could totally double them up, and this is a fun way to store these teeny tiny Barbies. For $23 on Amazon, I bought this playable, programmable keychain. Keep in mind, prices can change. This is supposed to be a working video game. It's super tiny and it says that there are 5+ games included. There's a tiny little switch on top. And yes, oh my goodness, it comes on. This is crazy. Okay, can we push the buttons? We can. Which ones make it start? Oh, wow. Is this like Tetris? Can I move things? I can. Oh, yes, this is fun. Here it is in the hands of a Ken doll. It is the perfect size. And yeah, Kevin is wearing a new outfit from Elite Doll World on Etsy. I told y'all I was a fan. I was only there to buy jeans. Well, leggings that look like jeans. See? And then this happened. His and her holiday looks. We have Kevin and River rocking some gnome fashion. The fabric is nice and stretchy, so it's easy to dress the dolls. There's no opening in the back, so we can slip it over their heads. Here, River has leggings, and the top has a hood. Looking good. Is River's name a Doctor Who reference? Yes, it is. Chase and Mikasa are ready for the holidays, dressed in red. Jules and Tanya look so sweet in this candy cane print. Now these tops don't have hoods, and Milo and Denise are ready for a white Christmas, dressed in white hoodies and joggers. Ooh, I really like the hoodie on Milo. Let's open more mail. In the doll community, many of us love exchanging holiday cards. Here are a few from prior years from my dolly friends that I've displayed on this little wooden tree. I have not put mine in the mail yet. Sorry. Many of you are better than I am at getting your cards out on time. Here are a few gifts and a mini card from Margaret Ann Dolls. Y'all are spoiling me. Here's a card from Ellie from Finland on Instagram. She always has adorable photos. The Doll Junkie, gorgeous photo. Mitten State Barbie on Instagram. This is a fun account. Okay. I need to get my cards in the mail. In the comments, some of you wanted to know if our oversized Amazon finds for Elf on the Shelf would fit smart dolls. And yeah, they kind of do. The sleeves stop at the elbows and the sweater stops just under the belly button. But I think it's a cute look that we can totally get away with. Here's another comment. Can you please take the holiday Barbie's hair down? I would like to see what it looks like. Okay. Oh yeah. And in the comments, many of you also said that we could find the 2022 holiday Barbies at Burlington for $14.99. So I went this morning. Roll the cell phone footage. Awesome! And I wish I had known that before I paid $19.99. Here is our holiday Barbie on a made-to-move body. Let's remove the hair elastic. I think we're gonna have to do a little hot water rinse, comb it, and there she is. Her hair is pretty long and soft, and there doesn't seem to be a part on top. Can you make a Wednesday inspired doll? Well, I like the word inspired. It gives me liberty to do pretty much whatever I want. So we need a doll that is not smiling and hopefully one with black hair. I thought about her from the Barbie Eco Leadership team. She's got black hair. She has black hair and I love her facial expression. Then again, I think fashionista number 188 kind of looks like her. We will need to put her on a made-to-move body. Everyone, say it with me. Off with their heads. Place the dolls in a plastic bag. Place them in hot water until the head softens so we can easily remove it and place it onto the made-to-move body. Her hair is brown and not black. So we're gonna give this a try. I've been watching a lot of instant rye play or instant replay on Instagram. Sorry if I'm saying your name wrong. And I'm ready to give this a try. Let's hope all goes well. Do you notice a difference? Yeah, it's probably just a little bit darker, Probably should have kept the dye on a little longer, but I was getting nervous. Here's the original hair color and here's the new one. It is wet, so that could be why it looks darker, but I do see a little bit of a difference. I comb some of her hair forward, cut bangs, braid the rest of her hair into 2 braids. Let's pick out a Barbie dress. My Barbie wardrobe is kind of limited. Let's add some black leggings. I use acrylic paint to make her eyes a little darker. And I use a little watered down paint for some eyeshadow. Give her a nice little smoky eye. I use watered down brown paint to add freckles to make a quick Wednesday inspired doll. We can try out different Barbie clothes. I put a striped dress over the polka dot dress so I could still have that black collar. I'm going to pair it with our easy black felt jacket to make a Wednesday inspired doll in no time at all. The next time I'm feeling brave, I'll try to darken the hair more. I think this is one of those things that get better with practice. But overall, I am happy with our little Wednesday inspired doll. And to close out this video, I am still looking for that pink purse. So let's see if today's the day. I lost count of how many of these I've opened. And this is totally not the pink purse, but this is a new one. It's the gray or silver luggage, so that's cool. And the accessories are flowers, ooh, pink ones, a bracelet, a piece of cardstock that looks like nails, and a sticker. No pink purse. Better luck next time. So today we made our own little mini brands, had fun checking out stocking stuffers, made a custom Wednesday Addams inspired doll, and you know what? I'm just gonna use my fabric markers to darken her hair. Yeah, that'll work for now. And more random doll stuff. Thank you for joining us for another video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time. Bye!
A place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way.